introduce myself. My name is Aprilia Maiza.
And I am Nanda Kurniawati.
Today we will make an English daily assessment. Let's get started. Start away.
Hi April. You look fresh today. Did you sleep well last night?
Hi Nanda. I sleep pretty well. I'm trying to fix my sleeping schedule.
Nice. Tell me what's your morning routine like?
Well, usually wake up at around 5:13, pray, make my bed, and go for short walk near my house.
That early. I usually wake up at 7. First thing I do is check my phone, then brush my teeth.
Sound typical. And do you eat breakfast right away?
Not really. I usually have breakfast around 8. Just simple food like toast and coffee. So, what do you usually do in the afternoon?
After class, I usually go to the library to finish my assessment to read some books.
That's productive. I usually go to canteen first. I can study with an empty stomach.
Sometimes. Then around 2 p.m., I take a short nap if I'm at home.
Look you. I wish I had time to nap. My afternoon are usually full activities, classes, group project, or helping my mom at home.
That's not true. At least your afternoon are not boring.
True, but sometimes I feel so tired.
What about your evening, Nanda? How do you usually spend them?
Well, I get home around 6 p.m. I take shower, have dinner with family, and then watch some TV.
That sounds relaxing. I usually spend my afternoon study or scrolling through social media.
Oh, same here. Sometimes I watch YouTube or listening music while journaling.
Do you work at the night?
Not really. I prefer night stretching before bed. What about you?
I sometimes do yoga. It helps me sleep better.
That's good. I shall try that too. I usually go to bed around 10:30 p.m. How about you?
I sleep around 10 p.m. I have assessment due.
How about weekend? Do you keep the same routine?
Not really. On weekend, I wake up later around 8 a.m. I do laundry, clean my room, and something hang out with my family.
I love weekend. I usually go to out with my friend or just stay at home watching movie.
What's your favorite movie?
I love romantic comedy. They make me laugh and relax.
Some here, sometimes I even which in entire series in one day. Do you ever feel bad about styling in all day through?
Sometimes, yeah. But honestly, after a long week of classes and assignment, I think we all deserve a lazy day.
True, my brain just shut down on Saturdays. I need at least one day to recharge.
Actually, that's why I usually make Saturday my chill day. No stress, no deadlines, just me and my snack.
Oh, speaking of snack, what's your good weekend treat?
Popcorn and ice cream. I can watch a movie without him.
Oh my gosh, same. I love snack and sweet and salty snacks. Sometimes I even make homemade fries.
Oh really? Wish I could cook like that. My cooking skills stop at making instant noodle.
It's okay, everyone starts to somewhere. Maybe I can teach you sometimes.
Deal, but in return, you have to let me pick the menu.
That's fine. What would you choose?
Probably sometime like Crazy Rice, ASEAN, or To All the Boys I've loved before.
Good choice. I love this movie. The characters are so relatable.
Totally. I think that's why rom-coms never get old. They make us feel good.
Yeah, and they always end happily. Real life should be more like that sometimes.
Right. But even if it's not, at least we can print it for a couple of hours.
By the way, do you ever study on weekend?
Sometimes, if I have exam coming up or a big project, I will spend a few hours on Sunday reviewing.
Some here, I can't focus too much on Saturday, but Sunday afternoon feels like the right time to get back on track.
That's true. It's like Sunday give you that back to reality. Remind.
Exactly. I usually make to-do lists to do next to so I don't forget anything.
That's a good idea. I saw starting that too. I'm always stumbling on Monday morning.
Me too sometimes, but at least we're trying to organize it right.
Yup, progress over perfection.
So, what's your plan for this weekend?
Maybe clean to my room, catch up on some reading, and meet my cousin on Sunday. What about you?
I'm going to visit my grandparents. It's been a while since saw them.
That's sweet. Family time is important.
Definitely. Plus, my grandma is cook my favorite food.
Like you. No, I am craving home cooked food too.
I bring some snack. It's three I'm leave.
You are the best.
So movie and food day next Saturday, right?
Absolutely. I bring snack and you bring your cooking magic.
It's a deal. Maybe we can invite a few friends to make it mini get together.
Sounds perfect. A fun weekend to look forward to.
Can't wait. So that's all from me. Through this assessment, I have learned many new things and improved my understanding of the topic. I know that my work is not perfect, but I have friend we it's to complete it will. I hope this assessment can be useful for readers and can give a little knowledge inspiration. Thank you for your attention and for taking
time to read my work.
Thank you for watching.